Do you have hard water buildup in your shower? Can either be called calcium or limescale. Well, let's remove it with some CLR and a scrub mommy. It's a 50-50 ratio of CLR and warm water. I'm gonna use a tad bit more CLR than warm water just because it is tough buildup that I have in my shower. The water in. First, once the mix has been made, I'll grab my scrub mommy. It has a little soft side right here. I'm gonna dip it in there to soak it up. It's best if you do have a spray bottle, but I do not have one. I'm gonna apply it onto the area right here where there is buildup of calcium. Now we let it sit for 2 minutes. Okay, it has been 2 minutes. I'm not satisfied. I do want to give it a good scrubbing, so I got this cheap little thing. It's a dishwasher scrubber from HEB, and I'm gonna scrub the tile and the floor. However, for the glass, I'm gonna use a scrub mommy because it prevents scratching. And then I'm just gonna grab this. I like this because it helps get in the hard to reach places, and especially inside of this tile line right there, I can really get a good scrub going. So we'll be right. Okay, I went ahead and scrubbed away at it, and then I also got the entire glass right here, and I'm gonna grab my water head right here for the shower head, and I'm just gonna spray it all down, and I'm gonna show you all that. So here's the after. There's no more residue on here, and I put Windex on it and cleaned the outside and the inside. Over here, you can see that there's no more yellowing and slight redness to it. This right here is the glue that, you know, when I installed the shower, and there is a little bit of mold infused with this. They do have a mold and mildew CLR. I highly suggest getting that one if your shower does contain any type of mold in it. I just had the regular one, so I'm gonna have to go over it with the mold and mildew whenever I get some. But as you can see on the wall, there's no more spotting or anything like that. I tried drying it up the best I could. And this is what I use, CLR, calcium lime rust. You can get it at most home good stores. I highly suggest that, again, the mold and mildew one is gonna be a life changer, especially if you've got all types of mold. You can see in there, I'm gonna have to run through all this again and scrub through it with the mold and mildew one. The regular CLR does not remove it, so just keep that in mind. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, learned anything new, if you have any tips for me, please leave it in the comments below, and I'll catch y'all next time.